Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video and think for a moment. So as you can see, we have two lists here, and in the first list, we are trying to change the first element to 5, and then we are printing m. So the correct output of this code is 5, 4 and 5, 4, and that too in this list. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here these two are the list. So initially L is 3, 4, and here M is L of L. That means M is 3, 4, and then again 3, 4. And now this part is the confusing part. Here when you change L of 0, what happens is that this part will be replaced by 5. That means the new list will be 5, 4. Now this change is reflected back in the memory, and when you print M, it's not going to print this part. It's gonna print 5, 4 and 5, 4, which was the output.